How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? How old are you? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. See you tomorrow. See you later. Goodbye. Excuse me. Sorry. It's okay. Thank you so much. You're welcome. No problem. Pardon me. Can you repeat that? I don't understand. Please speak slowly. What does this mean? How do you say this in English? What time is it? What day is it today? What's the date today? Happy birthday. Congratulations. Good luck. Have a nice day. Enjoy your meal. Help yourself. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am busy. I am free. I am ready. Come here. Sit down, please. Stand up. Open the door. Close the window. Turn on the light. Turn off the TV. Wait a minute. Hurry up. Be careful. Don't worry. Calm down. Cheer up. Let's go. Let's eat. Let's watch TV. Can you help me? Sure. No way. Of course. I think so. I hope so. I am not sure. Maybe. I agree. I disagree. What's wrong? Are you okay? What's this? What's that? How much is it? It is too expensive. I will take it. Can I have this? Here you are. I like it. I don't like it. It is delicious. It is great. It is wonderful. It is terrible. That's cool. That's funny. That's right. That's wrong. What are you doing? I am working. I am learning English. Where is the bathroom? Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. I love you. Have a good time. Take care. Keep in touch. What's up? Not bad. Long time no see. Have a nice weekend.